All right, so John pushed the button, and you can see the bubbling around the shaft of that ram. So that's a mess. There's part of our problem. Fun. Well, should we extend all those out and then try to get the top to actuate anyway?
So
Because they would be, correct?
Well, the point is, in this position, the top should actuate.
Yeah, because the relay, there's a switch that references off of these.
So these switches here, the right and the left deck open switch, one is for top up, one is for top down, okay? Because the top, putting the top up is one action, putting the top down is another action. It's a complete separate action. So now, when the flipper panel opens, the flipper panel actuates another switch. And then that...
Which is right there.
Which is right here.
Okay.
Okay. So that switch is then supposed to tell the relay for the top that it can actuate. So...
Should I maybe push that switch down further?
Well, I'm looking to see if it is. What
Like
I was
if
going to
it's not
do
all
is
the
I was
way?
looking for the little plug that holds it in. So we may have to
Gotta unplug it.
unplug it. Hold on, just do one thing here. Sometimes when these get hung up, and this is in the opposite direction,
But that would confuse it.
It would confuse it, exactly.
It's crazy how it's almost computerized, but it's like a mechanical computer.
It's called relay logic. So that one relay, one relay trips the next, or a switch trips the next relay. Watch your fingers there.
Yeah, it's like one of those, if this works, therefore this can go.
Are we getting hydraulic rams moving?
I hear stuff pumping.
Yeah, I do too.
You want to hit that a little more? Because I heard some bubbly action. I'll run if something does something crazy. Hit it. It's pumping out of that side.
And it shouldn't be.
Over there, it's still pumping. You can see it bubbling. Oh yeah, there, that's a good shot of it bubbling. We're also making art.
Well, in this phase, these should not be working
No,
at all.
those should not be actuating.
Right.
Because we are all the way up and the flipper is out.
Did this car have any electrical bypasses, like to unlock the trunk or anything that you know of?
No.
Okay.
There was nothing odd
Yeah.
or added that we've seen. And I mean, we've been under the car, we've had it on the lift, we did full inspection on it. And I actually finally got the quote for all the underbody stuff that we need to do over to him over the weekend. So it's just a matter of install all of that and have the man, the myth, the legend do his magic. And then maybe Van can drive his car. Like there's a triple here with some tape on it. And that's all uncooked, but that's all light stuff.
Lights.
Yeah, but
I'm
still,
not worried about that right now.
it's a disaster.
Okay, where's this one going?
That one is going into here.
into the bottom.
Into the bottom.
Into the T. Okay.
Yeah.
And the one for the
There's a mess of fluid
yeah.
right there.
So, and then it comes out of that T and it goes through the
rigmarole here right into this relay.
okay. That's a
Or
solenoid.
into this solenoid, yeah.
And that's where it should go. So that's good. Okay.
Now there's a piece of, it's bare here, but it's
Yeah,
not touching,
that's
but it's
kind
still
of-
scary.
Common.
Because at this point where you have it, these should be actuating.
Yeah, they should be.
Yeah. Not pissing fluid out on that one.
Well, and the thing is, I jumped it over here, right?
Yeah.
Let's see.
Do I need to get out of the Legends way?
Yeah, well, not really, but I'm just trying to sort of sort out. Okay, we've gotten up here. Did somebody...
Jumper that stuff around.
Usually you can't go wrong with the plugs because they're color coded. But sometimes people misplug things, and I don't like the particular wrapping on here. It's, you know, are they hiding something?
Yeah, what kind of mess do we have hiding under that electrical tape?
Yeah, we don't know yet.
Fun. So much fun.
You want a razor blade?
John, do you want a razor blade to cut
Yeah,
that off?
let's. A razor blade would be great. Thank you.
Just leave the mirror and straw inside.
Why not?